Hi, so want to make sure that when you submit a form, the right person is assigned. We know that in Monday, you need to meet certain conditions and these aren't always met, so the right person isn't always assigned. So I've got the source board, which is person column and then drop down. We don't need these names here. I was just doing some testing. All that's important is person and drop down. This is the source board. Then on the target board, here we have person column and drop down. I've added both of the integrations when item is created using form, because we're going to do it via form. I also added this just in case sometimes we're going to add it directly from the board. So I have both of those, so they work, both integrations. And here the VLOOKUP is the drop down. So we will see when this loads, because I've already set this up for us. Okay, on the source board, when drop down 1, we want drop down 1 and the person column, and on the target, when we have drop down 1 to return us the person column. Okay, so now if I go to the form, share form, preview. So this might just be task 2, and I'm going to select myself. And then when I look in the board, okay, I've come in task 2. I've chose myself as a drop down, so automatically assign myself. And because I put both automations in, when I click Florent, we see that the person will be assigned. Yeah, thank you.